Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we'll discuss the top 5 best vacuum sealers of 2023. All the product links are given in the description below. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Best Professional, FoodSaver. This makes some of the best-selling vacuum sealers available today. This vacuum sealing system is fully automated. Bag detection starts the vacuum sealing process and moisture detection selects the correct mode, whether you're sealing marinated steaks or pantry snacks. There's an LED light display to indicate progress, and the machine turns itself off when the job is done. If you're looking to stock the freezer all at once, this 2-in-1 will tackle your task in no time. It did have the one flaw of being too intense for some items, and there is no pulse control option, so you may have to be more careful with delicate foods. The price tag is a little steep for the casual user. Still, the machine comes loaded with convenient features that help justify spending. It's easy to clean thanks to the pull-out drawer that houses a dishwasher-safe drip tray. It has built-in roll storage, a bag cutter, and a retractable handheld sealer that can be used to preserve pantry snacks, cereals, and nuts in FoodSaver zipper bags, containers, and canisters. Plus, it comes with a 5-year limited warranty. Best Budget, GERYON. For starters, this vacuum sealer comes with 5 7.8 by 11.8 inch bags and one 7.8 by 78 inch roll of bag material. It does not have a bag cutter or integrated bag storage. This compact vacuum sealer doesn't include some of the fancy features of higher-end models. Still, it performs its primary function, vacuuming and sealing bags for freezers, storage, and sous vide cooking. It works with any brand of vacuum sealer bag, rolls up to 12 inches wide, or with the pre-made quart or gallon-sized bags. The setup can't be beaten. You plug it in and are ready to seal. The seal bags place the end into the machine and press down to lock it. Then press the vacuum button. A sealing indicator shows the progress, or you can stop the vacuuming at any point to seal the bag before it is thoroughly vacuumed. We like that we can also operate the sealing machine without vacuuming first, which is great for making bags. Best for small places, FoodSaver FM2000-FFP. With its slim, lightweight design and ability to be stored vertically or horizontally, this is a vacuum sealer that's perfect for kitchens with limited space. Despite its moderate price tag, this model is straightforward and includes a removable drip tray for easy cleanup. The product was impressive, for the cereal and raspberries stayed almost completely intact. We were particularly impressed with the machine's ability to vacuum seal strawberries without any juices escaping. Since then, this new model has come out to iron out some minor flaws from the original. Overall, this is a fantastic compact choice, especially for anyone just starting the vacuum sealing. Best for beginners, Anova Culinary ANV S01 US00. This sealer is intended to use with the brand's popular sous vide cooker, but it also works well for food saving. The super sleek and simple one-touch Anova is designed to extract air quickly and seal tightly. You can use it with bags of different sizes for serving groups of 2 to 10. If vacuum sealers with tons of bells and whistles intimidate you, you're in luck. You don't have to be tech savvy to use this one. The top vacuum seal and pulse vacuum buttons are straightforward and do the job. While it didn't achieve the best results with delicate items like raspberries, it worked well for meat and other snacks. It also has a small countertop footprint, making it ideal for people in apartments or homes with limited cupboard and counter space. However, the trade-off is that the no-frills model doesn't come with accessories, beyond 10 pre-cut bags like other options. Best overall, Nesco Deluxe Food VS12. This sealer is intuitive to use. It features several settings to ensure the best results for various foods. In our testing, its capabilities equaled or surpassed that of models double its price. There are sealing settings for dry foods like cereal and moist foods like raw meat, as well as other options to create a double heat seal on any bag. A double vacuum pump extracts every last bit of air from your sealed package. Even with irregularly shaped items, we saw almost no air pockets or bubbles after sealing. There are also 2 vacuum pressures to choose from, normal and gentle, to keep more delicate foods like crackers and other snacks from breaking. The gentle setting, in combination with the pulse feature, offers precise control over the vacuum process, so items like buns and pastries don't get crushed. Beyond the performance, we loved how user-friendly it was. The latch locks quickly, and there's a timer that counts down until it manually seals, although it is a bit slow. An accessory port allows you to attach a hose to the sealer to extract air from jars and vacuum canisters. A built-in bag roll storage and the cutter will enable you to cut bags to the size you need. 2 different size bag rolls are included to get you started, and when you need more, this sealer will work with any brand of vacuum sealer bags. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of our new videos.